what I want to talk about today is the how to be a morning person. But first of all, what I want to emphasize on the prior to diving into the topic is there's nothing wrong with being a night owl, the night person, because like there are two types of people. The one being the early bird, which means the morning person. The other the other one being mm, night owl, which means the night person, those who feel more energized, productive at night. So if you're a night person, you don't really have to like force yourself to be the morning person, because that's gonna ruin your health and that's gonna ruin your productivity. So just follow the just be yourself that way you are. So but I've got the three methods that I got becoming a morning person. I didn't used to. I usually wake up before 5 a.m. and I like even weekends I wake up really early. I wake up earlier on weekends than I do on weekdays, because it's a Saturday today and I woke up for 30 or so 4:30 a.m. or so. And anyway, like I've got the three methods that I experimented, and really work for me. Number one, like the setting something that excites you. Probably whatever it is, that if you really love playing a game, watching TV, watching YouTube, like you make a point of doing those things in the morning rather than night, like after coming back home from the job or anything. So I think it's kind of really hard for us to stay away from those stuff, especially when we're really tired after work. So but you gotta try, you gotta just try to force yourself to do that. That's the like I said, let me repeat the first point. Is like the setting something that you love, and as a morning routine, just include it into the morning routine. And that can lead me to the second point, which is try to eat less dinner. Because in my case, what I'm really excited about is eating what I love. So I try not to eat much for dinner and try to save the meal for the next day, for the next meal, which means tomorrow's breakfast. So that makes me feel more excited about waking up early next morning. So, and it works. It actually works. Yeah, I was like, I usually wake up really with, excitement. Oh, I want to eat. I want to eat something. I want to eat the food I saved last night. You know what I mean? So that's a really good point. You can also buy like whatever, like sweets, whatever it is, whatever you like, and keep them in the fridge. And just you can eat them for breakfast. That makes you excited about waking up, and you naturally like get to wake up early morning. And last but not least, probably that keep doing that, whatever it is. You might feel just to set alarm 5 a.m. and you gotta keep waking up at a certain time that you set in alarm. if you want to be a person like 6 a.m. morning person, you can set the alarm 6 a.m. But if you want to wake up a bit earlier than that, you can set up the alarm at 5 a.m. or so. I set up alarm 5 a.m. but I already got to the point where I wake up like before alarm goes off. So I've got more, you know. Actually, I usually wake up earlier than 5 a.m. Yeah, ahead of 5 a.m. So that works. Yeah, that's all I wanted to share with you in terms of waking up early morning, and you're gonna get the plenty of time. Yeah, you can do whatever you want. So I, highly recommend you try if you want to be a morning person. Yeah, I'll see you in the next video.